Hello guys, welcome to Spoto YouTube channel. Every new technology creates new risks and the need for a strong cybersecurity team. Cybersecurity will continue to have an impact that reaches beyond the digital world and into our day-to-day physical world. Cybersecurity certifications can make a difference in landing a job and help career progression. This video is about the top 5 cybersecurity certifications for entry-level roles in 2022. Don't forget to contact us for the latest cybersecurity certification exam practices and study materials. Now let's have a look at this one by one. 1. CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus is the first security certification IT professionals should earn. It establishes the core knowledge required of any cybersecurity role and provides a springboard to intermediate-level cybersecurity jobs. The median annual wage for network and computer systems administrators is $84,000. 2. Certified Information Systems Security Professional. CISSP is one of the world's most valued information technology and information security certifications. The CISSP covers the fundamental elements of the entire cybersecurity field, from security and risk management to communication and network security to security testing and operations. 3. CompTIA Network Plus. CompTIA Network Plus helps develop a career in IT infrastructure covering troubleshooting, configuring and managing networks. CompTIA Network Plus validates the hands-on skills needed to troubleshoot, configure, and manage both wired and wireless networks. 4. Certified Ethical Hacker. The Certified Ethical Hacker is a core training program for an information security professional, also referred to as a white hat hacker, who systematically attempts to inspect network infrastructure with the consent of its owner to find security vulnerabilities that a malicious hacker could potentially exploit. 5. Cisco Certified Network Associate. The CCNA certification proves you have what it takes to navigate the ever-changing landscape of IT. CCNA exam covers networking fundamentals, IP services, security fundamentals, automation, and programmability. Designed for agility and versatility, CCNA validates that you have the skills required to manage and optimize today's most advanced networks. No matter what career you want to go after, Spoto is here for you. We are here to help you build your skills and the confidence to pass your certifications. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Contact us now for the latest and real certification exam done.